Hello guys, today we are going to know about six beautiful topics. The first topic is the farmer. We get food in the market to buy because the farmer in the village works hard in his fields to grow crops for his living. It is a very hard life for him since most Indian farmers work out without any machines. He prepares the land for sowing crops by driving bullocks to drag a plough in the earth. It is a tiresome job for both the farmer and the animals. When the land has been tilled, the farmer sows seeds for the crop. He needs water to make the grow and depends on the rains most often for this. If the rains fail, their farmer's crops die and he loses the money he has spent. When the monsoon is good, the farmer's harvest is also plentiful. He is a happy man because he can earn good money for all the effort he put in into his land. A farmer sends his produce to the markets to sell. People come from big cities to buy from him. A country has food only if the farmer works. The next topic is the postman. The postman is a very important person in everybody's life since he delivers letters and other things like parcels from people who live far away from us. He even delivers letters from people in the same town, like an invitation for a wedding from your neighbor who lives just next door. The post office gives us a cheap and reliable method of sending and receiving mail. Every postman has a particular beat to follow. He has a definite number of houses to deliver mail to. He arranges his mail back in an ordinary fashion so that letters of each area are arranged together. This makes it easy for him to make his delivery from door to door. Some postmen also deliver money orders, which is cash sent to a person by post. Many postmen use a bicycle to make their rounds. Some villages are very far away from other villages and much difficult to reach. Their mail is delivered only once a week. A postman always delivers people's mail no matter whether it rains or snows. Next topic is the summer season. In India, summer is hot in almost every region of the country. Because of nearness to the equator, most schools and colleges remain closed since it is not a comfortable time to be studying due to the heat. Rajasthan is mostly desert and very hot during the summer months. Water is also scarce there in many places, adding to the woes of people. Many rivers run dry in summer all over India, causing problems for drinking water for people. They sleep under open skies in the night in the villages as it is very hot inside houses. In the cities, people use fans and air conditioners to make the heat variable. The best part of summer is the mango season. Mangoes are said to grow sweeter as the summer heat increases. Watermelons are another kind of fruit available in plenty in India. Its sweet, cool flesh gives relief to a man thirsty and tired from the summer heat. Next, tender coconuts are also popular in summer. Their cool, delicious water is very refreshing on a hot summer day. Next, we are going to know about the monsoon season. The monsoon is the rainy season in India. Most parts of our country get rain from the months of June to September. These rains, called the southwest monsoon, are brought by winds that blow over the Arabian Sea in the west. They start first at Kerala in the beginning of June and then slowly spread to other states like Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and the rest of the country. There is another monsoon called the Northeast Monsoon that brings rain from the Bay of Bengal to the east coast of India during the months of October to December. Rains are very important to farmers because they need the water to grow their crops. When it does not rain enough during any year, the rivers and other sources of water like wells, tanks, and ponds go dry. People sometimes do not even have enough water to drink in many villages. They travel for several kilometers to fetch a pot of drinking water. Water is precious and we depend mostly on rains for our water. Next topic is the trees. We should always try to grow more trees instead of chopping them down without reason. A tree takes several years to become tall and spreading to be able to give shade to every people on the roads or cool breeze and shelter from the sun to a home. A well-grown tree is not only beautiful to look at but acts as a purifier to the air we breathe. The leaves take in poisonous gas like carbon dioxide and release pure oxygen that we require to remain healthy. The neem tree is said to be very efficient in this manner. Trees also release moisture from their leaves, enabling increase in rainfall to a place. The roots of a tree cling firmly to the soil, preventing the upper layer from getting washed off when there is heavy rain. On slopes of hills, landslides occur, otherwise killing many people. Trees are also natural homes to many creatures like the birds and squirrels. More the trees, more the number of beautiful chirping birds, flowers, and fruits in a locality. Next, we are going to know about Diwali. Diwali or Deepavali is one of the most important Hindu festivals that normally falls around October-November months. There is great celebration all over India when people dress in new clothes, eat many sweets, preparations, and good food, as well as light crackers and other fireworks. Houses are decorated with twinkling lamps as night falls so that it looks as if a million stars are shining everywhere. It is said that Diwali is celebrated because Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of banishment to the forest to be crowned the king like everybody wanted him to be. People rejoiced and showed their happiness by festivities. On Diwali day, the merchant class in particular also worships goddess Lakshmi, who blesses people with wealth so that they prosper more in the year to come. The lamps on the doorsteps of houses are meant to direct the goddesses the way into their houses to reside there. People gamble on Diwali day so that they win money and it brings them luck in the months to come. Thank you.